Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can check your sent requests for follower in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So the first thing we're going to need to do is, of course, open the Instagram app. Next, we go to our profile. At the top, we click on the three bars to go to settings. And you need to select the Your Activity section. If this section is not in this list, like it is for me, then you need to go to Settings. And you'll find it right here. Then when you go to your activity, you scroll to the very bottom, find your information download. And then you choose Upload or Transfer your information. And then you select the Instagram account that you want. And then you click Next. And then you click Add some of your information. Next, you scroll down until you find the Subscribers and Subscriptions section. You click Next. Once again, Next. Next, you click Download Video File or Prepare File. And now, as you can see, you'll be taken back to a page like this. And this is where you'll see a file like this. And at this point, it is in the process of downloading. Once the request is done, you'll see a download button on this file. As I did beforehand, I have that button, and then you will be able to click on it. And the information will be uploaded to you in the video file, and you'll be able to easily view and check your submitted Instagram friend requests. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon, friends.